It is the Revit tutorial for the beginners. In the last, I have shown you last video, I have shown you how to make the wall. And this is our this was our architectural plan, and these were our walls. Let's go for the front elevation. And again, I'm going to zoom in the region. So this is zoom in region. You can see it from here. So for the beginners, now I will put some doors in it. If you don't have these doors, can be downloaded from the family. And if you want to go in detail, you can message me for the full course. But mostly, if it is there, you can use door your uh, from here, and doors are there. But if you want doors of different design, you can download the family. This is the simple door, single pane, and we can also have the double pane doors. So from architecture doors, I am going to select the doors. These are the two types of doors: door passage single flush and door passage single young light. These I have already downloaded, or it may also be present initially in your. Let me select the 30 by 80 feet. Once you will select, the same dimension will be inches. So same dimension will be here. So I have put the door here. If I want to put another type of door, I can go for the door passage. And now this is a different type of door, and I can also select one dimension from here. Let me put another type of door. So this is very simple. We can put the doors, and how to put the windows. So putting windows is also very easy. Again, go to the window, select one type of window. You can select any one from this. I have two already here, and I can download different styles of windows. So if I need window double hung, I can use this one. Just select this dimension. Once you will select dimension, you can have it. This is one window. It is so easy to create it. You can see even the levels are defined. This is the second one. If I want to change the type of window, I can go again to the windows, and this is the other type of window which I am going to place here. So it is not looking very beautiful here, but I need just to tell how to do it. So these are the windows at the same sill level. Now you can see that we can easily put the doors and windows, and I have put it in front because it is a simple tutorial for the beginners. Now, if you want to see how it will look, I can uh, show you from here. Views, of course, sorry, these are just like here. This is wireframe. You can see the different type of dimensions. These are the walls and something like that. If I have pressed escape to escape from the doors and windows. Now, again, if I need hidden lines, these are the hidden lines. Lines of walls are hidden, and this is shaded. You can also go for the textured and realistic. Let me select the realistic. Now this is your realistic front house view. You can also see the 3D view of this in this way. By selecting, this is already 3D, you can see it like this. Thank you very much for watching. And if you want to know how to put roof on it, don't forget to watch the next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and wait for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.